One of our best sellers in London. Fulham Short Stay is located in London, a 12-minute walk from Stamford Bridge Stadium, and has a terrace, garden, and free Wi-Fi. The property is 2.6 kilometers from Olympia Exhibition Centre. The apartment comes with one bedroom, a living room, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area, and a bathroom with a bath. A flat-screen TV is available. Cycling can be enjoyed nearby. Natural History Museum London is 3.2 kilometers from the apartment. London City Airport is 19.3 kilometers away. Hammersmith and Fulham is a great choice for travellers interested in convenient public transportation, tourist attractions and parks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.